If you're looking at new construction in Montgomery, Texas, you're going to want to hang around because we're going to view Pulte Homes here in TwoStep Farms. They are building in Montgomery, Texas. They're all zoned to Montgomery ISD, and they have some amazing features and homes for you right now. If this is your first time to the channel and you're interested in all things living in Houston and the surrounding suburbs, subscribe, and you'll be the first to know about the current real estate market in Houston, Texas. I'm Erica Sprague. I've lived and worked in the Houston area for about 20 years, and I love helping families move to Houston and move around the community as well. So whether your move is 9 days or 90 days from now, feel free to reach out. I'd love to talk to you and find out how we can help your move to Houston be a smooth one. Our contact information is in the description below. So reach out. We want to hear from you. We're going to take a look at one of 3 of the Pulte models here in TwoStep Farms. This is the Lufkin plan. Pulte is offering homes from 1,600 square feet up to 3,500 square feet. All of their homes have smart home features. They are life tested, which means they really strive to incorporate efficiency when they are creating their floor plans, not much wasted space, and really target the family lifestyle. So how are people using space, and what are they really needing in their homes? You can see we have a gas range, stainless steel appliances, nice island, great open concept, some pendant lighting. This is our dining room. These homes are starting with Pulte from the mid 300s. Great laundry room, good space in here. This is your primary bedroom. Great natural lighting. Walk-in closet space. Primary bathroom. You have 1 sink and a vanity. This can be modified if you're really wanting 2 sinks. That can happen for you. Separate tub and shower. See, you have nice baseboards. This is tile flooring, okay? So wood-like tile. Very durable. Your animals aren't going to be able to scratch that up. Your kids aren't going to be able to stain it. So it's a great choice when you're looking for flooring. This is a secondary bedroom. Really good size, nice lighting. And you have a little walk-in closet. I really like the walk-in closet concept instead of the wide, shallow closet. It's a lot more functional. This is the second bedroom. Same concept. You have a walk-in closet. This is the 3rd secondary bedroom, currently set up as their design model. You have that walk-in closet, nice window, and here is the secondary bathroom that those 3 bedrooms share. This is a great tub. You could actually get in here and take a bath and not have your body fully exposed. Something people don't often think about, but comes in handy if you are a bather. So again, this floor plan is one of their smaller floor plans. It does have 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And you do have a really nice sized lot. We'll take a peek at the backyard. TwoStep Farms is zoned to Montgomery ISD. It is located in Montgomery and in Montgomery County. So there's no separation here with the backyard, so you're seeing a really long stretch. But if this were just your home, then probably the middle of that fence post, that would be the divider for this lot. And so it would come back like this. So that's a really nice size yard. Here they have the outdoor fireplace. You could have a trampoline, you could have a playscape, you could put even a small pool in here. So lots of options, good covered patio space. Your tax rate under here is going to be kept pretty low. As more people move into the community, it will go down because you do have a mud out here. That is your water district. And so as more people populate the community, that will go down and your overall tax rate will go down. Here is the Jayton floor plan the Pulte is offering in TwoStep Farms. Love that they have 3 models, so you really get a feel for the different plans they're offering. Love this fun blue door. So this is going to be your office to the right. It's currently used as their demo room for Pulte. However, you do have these French doors. So that signals an office space. Could be a flex space too, depending on what your needs are. Here's your powder room. Right off the front, that's nice for your guests. Be able to use that. It's not on top of the kitchen, which is great. To the left, you have a mud rack for you to throw all your things as you come in from the garage, which is a 2-car garage. Here's your laundry room. Also nice access to the laundry room from the garage and your mud rack. So you can just throw those dirty, muddy clothes in here if you come in from sports practice and not have to drag them all throughout the house. Here's your kitchen, a good amount of counter space again. Really nice cabinetry with hardware, again, gas appliances. You are seeing the Whirlpool brand throughout your kitchen appliances. You have this nice drop-in sink. Makes it really easy to clean your dishes and not spread that water all over the place like I do in my kitchen. Here's your living area. You do have a gas fireplace in all of these homes. In Texas, you don't use them a lot for the heat, but some people like to use them for the ambiance. This is your primary bedroom and your primary bathroom. Your vanity has 2 sinks. You have this nice oversized walk-in shower. So there's not a tub in this one, and many times you're going to have the option if you want an oversized shower or if you want a traditional shower and a tub. So you can specify that when you come in and build. If you catch the home in the right stage, you might be able to change that as well if you are technically purchasing an inventory home. So we're going to go upstairs. And this floor plan has a game room. So here you see this. And this is really nice because this space is over the laundry room and the garage. So you're not going to have that competing space over your living room. Here's your first secondary bedroom. They always have these decorated so cute. This one has an ensuite, so its own private bath. And here's your closet. Here is your secondary bedroom number 2. Really spacious. This is a twin bed, just so you have some frame of reference, but you could have easily a queen in here. Same type of closet. This is the 3rd full bathroom. So the 2nd bathroom that's upstairs. Again, love those tubs. If you're wondering about resale, as long as you have 1 tub in the house, you're good to go. So not having a tub in the primary bathroom is not an issue. So this is another 4-bedroom home. This one does have 3.5 bathrooms. So a little bit larger. You do have a game room. So if you're looking for a little bit more space, the Jayton could be a good choice for you. They do have a nice covered patio out here. We'll take a peek at that. It's a little bit larger than the last floor plan we saw. And a similar sized yard. Not too much difference here. Of course, it's a 2-story, so its footprint is smaller. So you have a little bit more yard than when you have a 1-story. I hope you've enjoyed your tour of Pulte Homes here in TwoStep Farms. This community is 2,000 acres and at completion will have 4,000 homes. There's going to be a lovely community centerpiece with restaurants, co-work space, a farmer's market, and a dance hall. So you will not want to miss the opportunity to be a part of this unique creation here in Montgomery, Texas.